azotatazela ama-voice bazalwane simtshela before amanye azocrack. Hallelujah.
When your heart is aching, turn to Jesus. He's the dearest friend that you can know. You will find him standing close beside you, waiting peace and comfort to restore. Heartaches, take them all to Jesus. Go to him today, do it now without delay. Heartaches, take them all to Jesus. He will take your heart, yes, he will take them all away. Jesus understands whatever trouble, sweet relief for every bitter pain. Jesus Christ is still a great physician. No one ever sought his help in vain. Heartaches, take them all to Jesus. Go to him today, do it now without delay. Heartaches, take them all to Jesus. He will take your heart, yes, he will take them all away. Heartaches, take them all to Jesus.